Hello, today I like to make some Christmas cake. Very easy Christmas cake to make and very beautiful will come out. So what we use is 2 boxes of butter cake mix. So we mix 1 box of butter cake. We mix in this mixing bowl, and second one we mix in the second mixing bowl. So we need 2 butter cake box mixes. So we use only white of egg because we want to add the color. For the red basically butter cake, we add Christmas red color. If you don't have it, just simply add red gel food coloring. And for the green, we adding Kelly green gel food coloring. So we mix it all according to instruction, except one only difference. We're using white of egg, and because we needed white mix to make it good colors. So we have it about 20 centimeter our base around 2 baking here. They're not quite my actually tiny bit difference, but it's okay. I'll level them up and sort them out after. So what we do is next is we just put them straight in basically our tins, and we bake for about 40 minutes in the oven until it's depend on your oven as well. Check it after about 30 minutes, and with your cake skewer you just put it inside in cake tester, and if it's come out nice and clean, it's ready. Then we'll cool down and we'll level it up and cut it basically let's now place it our cakes and start baking. Now our Christmas butter cake are ready. They're cold, and I'm using one of those cake levelers. So I cut it a level top, and then we can slice on half. So now you can use also a serrated knife as well for trimming, but probably this cake leveler is very cheap. So but it's not those professional ones, but you can get practically anywhere. It's very cheap, and you can use for many things to cut it. So basically we start from green one, and what we have is 1 jar of vanilla frosting. You can use Betty Crocker or Duncan Hines, doesn't really matter. And we use leaf green Wilton gel food coloring, and that's what we got. Light greenish sort of color, which is we will frost it and apply on our cake. Here it is. And we will make 1 green and 1 red layer. It will be 4 layers in total. When we finish assemble our cake, this is how it's look like, all 4 layers. Next is we're using classic vanilla frosting, which is simply white, and we frost all over our cake and all around. When we finish frosting, that's how it's look like. I made up last night from green and red fondant. From red just 3 balls, and for green just we cut leaves simply from ready to roll fondant, and it's mistletoe. So what we do is we place it right in the middle for our decoration, right on top of our cake. And as you can see, it's very beautiful and easy cake to make. We can cut it and have a look at inside, and I hope you really do enjoy this kind of cake, because I'll bring it a bit closer. So yeah, you can see. And please do write your ideas, comments, subscribe. Love to hear from you. Until next time, goodbye.